Hi everyone, this is Lee. Welcome to my channel. If you want to see videos about indie game development, consider subscribing, then you won't miss anything. Let's get started. In order to add some variety to the scene, I normally add some obstacles in the game. These obstacles are very helpful to create the right atmosphere. In fact, it is more than that. The obstacle can change the layout of the map and make the game a bit more fun. Like some areas you cannot enter or some area you have to walk around it. In Dungeon Slayer, when the hero attacks the enemy, they don't just spell the magic. In fact, they will trigger the attack like shooting. What if the attack hit the obstacles? At the moment, it just went through them without any impact, which make them like transparent items in the scene. But I decided to make some changes and make it look more real. Firstly, I changed the code and made obstacles can be destroyed. But we cannot just attack them directly. But if they stand in the middle of the hero and enemy, the attack will hit the obstacles and destroy them, just like this. I think it makes the game a bit more convincing. At the moment, we can see the barrels and crates can be blown off to the air, which is purely visual effect only. But I can easily extend these obstacles into different types. For example, if it is a brick wall, it can block the attack at certain times and be destroyed afterwards. If it is a solid rock or metal, it can block the attack completely, which means the player needs to consider the attack angle as well. Or the player can choose to move the hero behind the solid obstacles in order to protect them when the hero are short of health. I think it will make the game more fun. After that, we can start adding some visual effect to this change, like adding some smoke, fire, and so on, just like this. Due to attack range limit, sometimes the heroes stay very close to each other. In order to make it clear, I decided to show the name when the hero is selected. Then it is much easier for the player to identify which hero take action at the moment. When we play some games like League of Legends, it will display the number of kills during the game. I think it's a good feature to let player know how many enemies get defeated in one shot. Then we kind of encourage the player to plan the move and make the damage to multiple enemies at the same time. Furthermore, we can also reward more experience in this case. Now that's how it looks like. When I finish all of this, it comes to Friday night. The movie I watched this week with my kids is Toy Story 4. Really a great movie.
He's a spork.
Yes, yeah, I know.
If you'd like to see how I add multiple floors into the game, you can check the video on the screen. I also share some tips about game development and running game development channel. You may find them helpful. I will leave the links in the description below. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.